Welcome back, guys. Today's recipe, we have our homemade Doritos Beef Nachos recipe with guacamole dips. So sit back, relax, and enjoy watching till the end. First, we need to cook our ground beef and wait until it's not red. Then, once it's brownish in color, add the sliced onion. Wait until you can smell the aroma. Then add 5 cloves of sliced garlic. Now let's add our seasoning. Let's start with a teaspoon of our coarse salt, then a teaspoon of black peppercorn, and a teaspoon of paprika, then a teaspoon of chili powder, and mix it up. Then let's cook our beef for 3 to 5 minutes, and then after that we're good to go, and then we will set aside. In the other pan, we'll make our cheddar cheese dip. So let's start by melting our butter. Then once melted, let's add our flour. Let's incorporate until there's no lump. Then add half cup of milk. Then add our grated cheddar cheese. Then mix and wait until it's dissolved. And once the grated cheddar cheese dissolved, then we're done, and let's set aside. And lastly, we'll be making our guacamole dip. And FYI guys, guacamole is originated in Mexico, and it's just actually an avocado dip. So we have one avocado, then add some sliced onions, then sliced garlic, and then a little bit of sliced tomato, and that's it. Let's just mix it up, and then guacamole is ready. So now let's start plating by placing the Doritos. And guys, these Doritos is cheese flavored. Actually, you can use the plain one. Then add the ground beef, then the melted cheddar cheese, and you have to be generous enough. Then the sliced tomatoes, and then the sliced pickled cucumber, and then again we have to place another set of Doritos, then the ground beef, and our melted cheddar cheese, then the tomatoes, and the pickled cucumber. And lastly, top with our grated cheddar cheese. Then let's pop it into the oven for 1 full minute, and then we're good to go. Wow, look at that guys, the melted cheese, so perfect. So this is gonna be our homemade Doritos Beef Nachos Recipe. Wow, and then we have our guacamole. Perfect. So thanks for watching guys, and please don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and ring the bell to get notified for our next video. Bye bye.